Bangalore, now renamed Bengaluru, is among the must-visit places in India. The capital of the South Indian state of Karnataka is also the principal administrative, cultural, commercial, and industrial center. Fondly known as Garden City, Bengaluru is the land of myriad charms. Ranking among the leading metropolises in India, the city deserved to be a part of tours in India. Tree-lined streets and the abundant greenery is the reason behind its name. Bangalore Tours is one of the amazing options of exploring the city as well as the many fascinating treasures of Karnataka. The city is dotted with cafes, bars, pubs, eateries. Bangalore nightlife is one of the best in India. Fun water parks, amusement parks, shopping hubs keep you on your toes. In contrast and coexisting peacefully within the city are forts, temples, and architectural wonders. The must-visit tourist attractions in Bangalore include the Botanical Garden of Lal Bagh, Cubbon Park, Lumbini Gardens, Bangalore Palace, Tipu Sultan's Palace, Vidhansabha, Venkatramana Temple, ISKCON Temple, Gavi Gangeshwara Cave Temple, Dadda Ganapathy Temple, Mahabodhi Temple. The salubrious year-long weather gives you enough reason to plan a holiday in Bangalore any time of the year. The people in the city are warm, hospitable, and friendly, helping you create cherished memories of a Bangalore holiday.